Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real, my own shares, my real money, and I'm joined by investors around the world every day who equally share with you their live trades, their live positions. Let's get straight into the trades. A lot of dramatic news flying around today, and we'll try and get to the bottom of it during our show. We've now got China saying they're going to shoot down Nancy Pelosi's plane when she heads towards Taiwan. Never heard anything like it, so we're trying to get clarity of what is actually being said because there's so much being said at the moment. It's all over the place. Anyway, welcome everybody over there on TikTok, Twitch, Twitter, wherever you are this afternoon. Welcome, welcome everybody. A big dramatic day ahead of us. Let's look at all our stocks. Hello, Boris Strong. We've got a new guest here today, and you'll see Boris in a few moments when everybody comes in. That nearly everyone here is a member. If everybody would please welcome Boris in. They're members because you ask them, they'll tell you they get back 20 times what they put in. We're trying to grow the best YouTube, Twitch, TikTok channel in the world, which helps people, and that's exactly what we do. We've raised over $1 million in our studio here for our charities fundraisers. So there you go. Welcome to you. All right. I'm actually from Cornwall in the United Kingdom, and my studio is here in Dallas, Texas. Would everybody please put your cities and countries in and welcome Boris Strong into the house. There you go. Hello, Boris. I hope you're not a spider or a prime minister. What's that? Boris. I love it. I love it. You're not a spider or a Boris the Spider. Was it Incy Wincy Spider when it went up the spout again? When Incy Wincy Spider fell down, the rain came and washed him out. Oh, I don't know, something like that. Anyway. So welcome, Boris. Let us know where you're all from. Real Ray's has got a great TikTok channel. Go and check it out. I made a commercial for him because he's one of my subscribers over there on TikTok. And it's got some very inspirational videos. Go and check them out. Very interesting. Mike, the news that China said, that was like 2 days ago, but tensions are still high and Pelosi is still supposed to go. Let's see what happens, eh? Hi, said Boris Strong. Welcome, Boris, from the UK, England, India. We've got another new guest here today. Loads of new guests here today. Anne _AND. Welcome to you today. Welcome, lovely stuff. North Adeline. North Adeline. Where's North Adeline? What country is that in? Love to know. Managed to put some money back into stocks, holding 13,000 space shares and 105,000 on S&P 500. Oh, Rob Brennan, a man after my own heart. Look at that. I guess he's been watching the Day Trader. He's been buying. I bought some Lockheed today. I bought 4 shares of Lockheed today. I also bought. In fact, that's all I bought today, actually. But I'm not selling anything. I just bought that on the news of what's going on. So anyway, let's get straight into our trades right now. The Vanguard S&P, I hold 32 shares of it. I'm up 3%. I'm at work, just like the channel. Well, thank you very much, Boris. Consider becoming a member. You'll see nearly everyone's a member. Ask everyone why they're a member, and they'll tell you they get back 20 times what they put in. Please take advantage. Oh, by the way, I need to upgrade someone here today, very special. Real Ray today became a silver member here on the Day Trader. He's a silver member. I believe, is it Real Ray? You're going to be a guest at our party, is that right? Real Ray, you're going to be a guest at the party in the 15th of October. Is that right? So I'm going to give you the information right now. It's in our newsletter. If you wish to book a hotel for the night, we are having a party in the UK on the 15th of October. It's our convention, and you've already got a ticket. I think you did your ticket, didn't you? Thank you very much indeed for that. So it's 15th of October. It's Hotel Victoria. If you subscribe to the newsletter, it's in there. Do you just let me know rather than me give you all the information in drips and feeds? Do you receive the newsletter? Because it's all in there. All right. Here's our Caden Youngquist, our 17-year-old financial trader. I'm very, very happy that he's here. Let's have a look at his channel now. He's at 100 subscribers. and we're going to get you up to plus 100 subscribers on Friday when we do another featured member. We'll feature you again, and let's get you way up past that point. You going live yet, Caden? Make the most of that 100 and rename your channel as well. Custom name. Okay, how's your trades today? Yes, right. You do get the newsletter. Good. All right. I'm up $1,800 today. Rob Brennan says 110 is my goal by the end of the week. Oh, that's easy. We can do that. We can do that. Don't you worry about that. And you're doing very well on your shorts, by the way. Thanks to all our members. Not trading anymore, though. Just going to hold my 13,000 space shares, 100,000 or so S&P 500 for the rest of the week. I think that's very, very wise, actually. That's exactly what I'm doing. I just bought some Lockheed today, but that's it. Other than that, holding my positions, just holding. I haven't been buying very much at all recently. I'm just buying things if they become obvious, but other than that, not really. Just holding my positions. S&P 500, everything's just a little bit staticky today. Not a great deal. Things sticking around a little bit. Tesla, I think it's going to go to $1,000 very soon. I tried to do 3 shorts a day. There you go. I don't set any targets. I just go with what I feel is right at the time. I know people would love me to sit and do targets, but I don't do that. I trade when it's right and sell when it's right, and so on and so forth. London Jeffrey says, day trader, any members close to San Francisco? Where's San Francisco? Where is that? What part of the world is that? Let me know. All right, Arrival is up to date 0.64. Amazon is up to date 0.54. Apple is down 0.37. Robinhood is down 1.6. How come Tesla failed to reach 1,000? Just flat market today. Yes, today is really, you can feel it. It's a sticky market today. That's why I call it staticky. It's undecided. If you watch it this afternoon, did you see this little pattern here? That's when a market can't decide whether to go up or down. It doesn't know what it's doing right now. We've had a bit of a push. People are undecided. Have we hit a bull market yet? Should I be getting in? Well, we've had a really good run and people are undecided. So we've got all this news. People are waiting for the next headlines, I think, at the moment. So just sit and hold. Don't get fearful. Don't sell out. How much should a student invest, in your opinion? Well, I did a calculation. Bearing in mind, my portfolio started at 5 grand and now it's at 41, right? I did a calculation that it's better to put all the money you're going to invest over the next 10 years. For me, it's 10 years. For you, it might be 30, 40, I don't know. For me, it's 10 years because by the time I'm 65, which will be in 13 years, I want to have enough money to live on without having to worry, right? Well, for me, it's different. I've got no mortgage. I've got no car loan. I've got no debts. I own my house. It's very, very different, right? For everyone, everyone's got their own system. Everyone's got their own situation. And I worked it out that it was better to put all my money that I would invest over the next 10 years now, all in the markets now, because we've got so much fear, wars, and remember, more millionaires and billionaires are created during wars than any other time. And if you're worried about the war, why? If there's World War III and we all die, who cares how much money you've got on the stock market? It doesn't matter. So always be positive and prepare for the best opportunities, not worry about wars. But the reality is we do have a war. We have recession. We have recession and we have inflation because of the war, because of COVID, because of supply restraints. All these things that are making the world harder to operate under are bringing all the stocks down, right? So for me, I'm looking at over history, over time, and remember, I'm not a guy who just wants to make money in 5 minutes. I believe in hard work. I believe in, I love work. To me, it's not hard at all, right? It's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. I look at history. I look at over time, and over time, what about the S&P 500, right? And this drop here is one of the biggest drops in its history. Huge drop, right? So I've been buying all the way down. Now, I didn't buy everything at the bottom here because no one ever does. When all this crashed, people were in the market. So you buy a bit more as it goes down or you sell out or whatever. So I'm down here. And I've been buying all the way down. So I put all my money in now. I don't have to put any money in. As Market Profit said on this show this morning, he says my portfolio, in his opinion, by November, this November, will be worth $200,000. Now, I don't think it'll be worth that much, but he's pretty accurate on his estimations. So why do I want to do $100 a month, $100 a week over the next 10 years? I've done it all now. But that's because I'm in a position where I've got the money to do it and I don't have a mortgage and a car loan and so on. Everybody else is. So if you've got a car loan and you've got a mortgage, you shouldn't be putting all your money on the stock market. You should be paying off your mortgage first. And not just because the percentages may be higher on your mortgage or car loan compared to what you can earn on the stock market. It's not about that. That's not the reason why I say it. It's because you need to have the right mindset. FOMO is the biggest problem with the stock market. It's why people sell out, and it's great. It presents opportunity for people that are calm to buy the discounts. And you don't want FOMO. You don't want fear of missing out, because if your money's not in one thing, it's in something else. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what everybody else is doing. Don't try and beat the market. Just do your own thing. And that's all you need to do. Everybody else running around, chasing their tails, let them do it. If my policy now is never pay more than you did last time for the stock. Now, some of you are saying, well, that's impossible. Overall, stocks go up. How are you ever going to pay less? You can't pay $1 for Amazon now, can you? No, you can't. But less than you paid when you entered. That way, you're protecting your stocks, you're accumulating, and you're getting it cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. Don't chase the stock. Feel comfortable. Get in and just keep buying discounts and wait. And have patience and put time into it. And that's what I'm doing. That's how I'm playing this market right now. Hi, Rob is here. Real Ray, everybody. I want everyone to please welcome Real Ray. He's quite a celebrity on my channel because not only is he a subscriber on TikTok, he's also a silver member here on the Day Trader. Now, as a silver member, Ray, you can now, if you wish to, have your YouTube channel on the homepage of my YouTube channel with all my members here. Just tell me you'd like to do that, and I can do that. You might not have a YouTube channel you want to promote, but if you do, let me know, and you can have it here on the homepage. You just got to let me know, and I'll do it. If you make me a manager of your channel, as a silver member, I make you a commercial video and I will upload it for you, get everyone to watch it, everyone to subscribe. But that may not be of interest to you. You may not be a YouTuber. But as a silver member, you also get the 20-minute fundraiser. If you have a fundraiser or you want to donate it to somebody, I go back to the studio here and do a 20-minute fundraiser to raise money. And we've got one coming up that was donated by Rob Brennan, who is also a silver member. And we're raising money for Zach in Uganda. And he's going to get all the money. We take no commission, no charge. We just try to help people, okay? And you can have a 20-minute fundraiser. Also, you can have your own channel on Discord. So all those things you can have to promote whatever it is you want to promote or talk about or whatever. So if you like all the sound of that, everybody else, here is the invitation to join. Ray, are you already over on Discord? Here is the Discord link in case you're not. Oh, hang on a minute. Let me just edit. There we go. I thought I did. I just deleted something. I don't want to do that. Here's the invitation to join. Yes, you would like your YouTube channel done. Okay, I will do it. Real Ray, guest, and YouTube channel. Okay, I shall do it for you. Was that yes to you want a YouTube channel or yes you are on Discord? Just clarify, please. I need to be absolutely clear what you want me to do. All right. Fundraiser for buying Martyn's content creator channel. Yeah. Yep. Yes, indeed. Okay. Don't even know what I commented there. My bad. No worries. That's Sty Levitt 2, I think it is. There you go. I want to hire a coach. I don't even have a computer. Maybe you need to get a computer first. But you can trade on your phone using an app like Robinhood, by the way. It's another little thing. No, I meant Discord. Oh, sorry, you're on Discord. Okay. So you don't need to put your channel on YouTube. Okay, I'll take that off then. You are on Discord. Great. Well, you can have your own channel on Discord as well if you want to. But a big thank you to Real Ray today. Go and check him out on TikTok. He became one of our silver members today. Ray, if you confirm the same name on here for your Discord, I will upgrade your Discord. Thank you very much. There we go. Tom, which is CMB Studio, is looking at the Discord today. Real Ray. And once you get onto Discord, Tom will upgrade you as a member of the YouTube channel. So you'll see all the channels. You can call in and be part of the main show. And once you call in, you can be like all these people. You can actually call in. So who should we have today? Here's Uzumaki, who's a member who called in.
Hello to the family and the future family members. Uzumaki here. I just wanted to say the Day Trader is one of the most honest, 100% open YouTubers around. Martyn's an honest guy and helps us through all the market ups and downs. Don't be shy, say hello, and join the family.
There you go, fantastic. And what about Kurt Wookert, celebrity crypto guy off the mainstream TV networks, came on our show. So proud that he came on. Here's Kurt Wookert.
I'm Kurt Wookert Jr., and I am blessed to have been on the Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com and GorillaPool.com. It's been a pleasure.
There you go. Absolutely great. Right, let me bring in the overlay ticker along the bottom of the screen. Let's bring that in a little bit. Give you all the information. There you go. Okay. Amazon is starting to go up now. Now, we've got a lot of interest for our cash giveaway on Friday and Thursday. So update, because some of you will miss it. After hours on Thursday, we're giving away $100 in cash or crypto, whatever, on Thursday. Okay? In the after hours on the Virgin Galactic after hours presentation. Okay? We're giving away $100. Now, if you go to the homepage of my YouTube channel, I'm going to ask you now to click on the video so you don't miss it. All right, here it is. This is the after hours earnings right here in 3 days' time. It's going to be our biggest ever cash giveaway. We hope to continue building our cash giveaways more and more. As we grow more, we'll give more away. We just love doing it. Why? I have no idea. I just enjoy it. All right, then. We've got 17 likes already. It's going to be a huge night. Could be a record audience. There we go. Click on that. Leave a comment. Click waiting. See here it says notify. There, look. Click notify. And give a like. See that? Look, you can like it already. And that way you'll be reminded and you can leave a little chat. Let's see who'll be the first to comment. Who's going to be the first person to comment? Let me set to live chat. And let me see who will be the first person to comment. All right. In the live chat. See it there, look? Okay. Let's see. It's normally Mike. I'm surprised he hasn't done it yet. Let's come back in a minute and see if it's Mike. My Discord was upgraded by Martyn previously, Tom. There you go. It's already been done. We're already on top of it. There you go. Awesome stuff. Just over 2 months till you're back now, Martyn. Yep, 2 months ago, October the 15th, we'll be in Cornwall. And Real Ray's going to be there, actually. He's one of our guests. He's going to be there on the beach, having a party. Tom's doing the DJing. It's going to be great. In the Hotel Victoria, if you do a $50 or £50 super chat, you'll get a ticket as well to the event. And we're all going to be there in the making of the film for Virgin Orbit. Where would you put 5,000 if you started today? That is such a big question. If I had to buy $5,000, spend $5,000 without doing any research, without doing anything at all, you were just coming in without me knowing your full background, I would say the S&P 500 because it's at a historic low right now. You earn a dividend. You've got the best companies in the world. It sounds boring, but that's what will make you money. Okay, I would do that if you were just coming in and didn't know what else to do and you hadn't done any research and I don't know your financial situation. That's what I would do. If you want to come into our main show and join us on YouTube, the link's in the profile just here. Come out of the main show, just exit the live show, click on the profile and jump into YouTube. The links are right there. Okay. Let's go. Right, we've got Day Trader of the Day coming up. So let me see. Did anybody click on the likes? Yeah, 18 likes now. And the first person to leave a comment was Rob Brennan, who's bullish. There we go. And as well did. Yo, there we go. Look, they're our first people. There you go. Fantastic. First comments. Have you clicked reminder and click the like button there. There you go. 18. It's going to be a very busy night. And I want to thank Rob Brennan for sponsoring that event, the $100 giveaway. It's fantastic. On eToro, you can buy the S&P with 20 times leverage. Blimey. There you go. I wouldn't ever recommend anyone borrow money, but right now there is a good case to use margin, no question, but just bearing in mind the interest rates are going up. Hopefully next month we'll start to see it come back down again, but we shall see. All right? There could be a couple more months of 0.75. And then maybe half, but anyway. Real Ray, everyone needs to know that this is easy to upgrade from bronze to silver, but you need a computer browser and not an iPad or an iPhone browser. That's correct. You need a computer. Thank you, Ray, for adding that information there. Right now, then, I want to inform everybody one great thing that we can do to help anyone grow on YouTube, TikTok, promote a business, channel, whatever. We are growing so quickly now. This is our newsletter. 163 now. We're gaining all the time. And you can book your space in the newsletter ahead of time, up to a month ahead. We've got no one booked in for next Sunday. It's 5 cents per person. So you can do the maths on that. 5 cents plus 163. And as it goes up, it becomes more expensive because you reach more people. But if you book it now, up to 3 or 4 weeks ahead, you book it at that price. And it'll go up and up and up and up and up. It could be 300 by next week. So it'd be twice as much money. So if you want to sponsor the newsletter, do it ahead, and you will be promoting your channel or your business or whatever you want to do at today's price. As that goes up, it will go up. All right. Okay. Thank you very much, Caden, for that. Appreciate it, and congratulations for your channel growing, doing very, very well indeed. And I've got a few ideas as well that I want to do for you. You won't even know it. I'm just going to suddenly do it. I'm going to take some clips of your shorts, because you can do that, and I'm going to splice them together, and I'm going to set a challenge which will get you more subscribers and viewers, and it'll do the same for me. I'm going to pick a stock, and I'm going to challenge CY Financials and Side Hustles channel to see if they can make a bigger percentage on a different stock. So I'm going to do a stock, give 1 month from today, say 30 days, and then you'll pick a stock for 30 days, and we'll compete against each other over the next 30 days, doing shorts and updates, you know, like duets in TikTok. Do duets like that, and what will happen is my coming up to 5,000 subscribers will see what you're doing, and your 100 that you have now will see what I'm doing, and we'll both grow, and it'll be a lot of fun. All right, I will challenge you to pick a stock and see who makes the most percentage-wise at the end of the month. All right, so you could only put, you could just put $1 down. It's about the percentage. That's all. All right, it's not about the amount of money you've got. Taking a clip on his shorts and splice them together sounded wrong to a newbie. Taking a clip of his shorts and splice them together sounded wrong to a newbie. Yeah, you can do that. I know where you're coming from, but yeah, you can use shorts, you can splice things together, you can do duets on TikTok. There's loads of things you can do, and it helps. You'll share your content. It helps everybody grow. Do you like my Martyn Lucas Day Trader beer mug? Look at that. You can get that from the shop. Pretty good, right? You can get that from my shop. Below the videos are all. Has anybody seen yet? Below the video is my merch shelf with all my merchandise. So you can have a day trader mug, day trader hat, day trader everything, actually. I think Caden was about 2,000 followers. Has about 2,000 followers on TikTok. Has he? Okay. Whatever you do, Caden, don't just follow everybody. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do follow for follow because it's quick and easy and you think everybody will follow you. Because they will follow you, but they won't watch any of your content. And what it does is you end up with the wrong viewers, and TikTok don't know who to show your video to. So many people get lazy and they do follow for follow. Think, oh, if I follow you, you'll follow me. They end up, there's a lot of my copycat TikTokers do that. They have as many followers as I have, nearly 20,000. And they have 20,000 because they follow everybody and everyone follows them back. But no one watches any of their videos. They don't earn any money and their channel doesn't grow. They don't get any subscribers. So it's completely waste of time. I just don't like the TikTok. I have grown up on YouTube, yeah, but TikTok is at the moment the fastest way to grow your YouTube channel. I'll just tell you that if you use it in the right way. This is a bit like how QVC started. You will go far, Martin. Yeah, QVC. Yeah, it is like QVC. You're dead right. Every single thing, actually, you joke, Real Ray. You've no idea. Every single thing in this studio is actually on my Amazon shop. On the all links button that I give you for the cash prize draw. If you close to Amazon, if you scroll down, you'll see my Amazon shop. But unlike QVC, you just make money for themselves, I make money for you. How do I do that? If you go on my Amazon shop and buy any of my things, even if you don't buy any of my things, excuse me, and buy anything else on Amazon, I get a commission for it. And I split the commission. I share with you on the screen how much I got. I split it with you. So if I get $5 for something as a commission, it costs you nothing. The price is exactly the same. They just pay me a commission. I show you on the screen how much I got, and I give you 50% back. It's free money. It's free for everybody. Easy, right? Do you use TikTok as a funnel, Caden? You certainly should be using TikTok. Alex April. Alex April? Oh, Ali, hang on. Alex, is this somebody else? Sorry, with my other phone. How are you? Alex April. Is that Alex? Is that a new member of the family? We got Alicia, Patty, and now Alex. Is this another member of the family, of the April family? Look at that. I wonder if it is. I'm confused now. Alex April. Maybe it's maybe it's somebody new. Maybe it's a new member. Maybe it's the dog. Maybe it's the cat. I don't know. Someone needs to tell me. All right, then. Now then, the markets are up and down today. We've got a lot of uncertainty now. A lot of this is round the news today about this Chinese situation with shooting down the plane of Nancy Pelosi, right? People have spooked. Markets are awful today. We were on target today for Tesla to hit $1,000. And when all this news started to pick up momentum, start trending, everything fell off a little bit. It's a bit of a yucky day. Maybe Alex is short for Alicia. It could be. I thought that, but I thought, well, I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. I'm not going to assume anything until we know better. All right. Alex, yes, it's another account of mine, but it's a me, Alicia. Oh, okay. It's Alicia. She's shortened to Alex. Fair enough. It's not the cat. It's not the budgie or the gerbil. No, it's actually Alicia. All right. She's trying to give me more likes. Okay, smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell. Now, only one of my friends today. See, some of you aren't real friends. Some of you aren't real friends. First of all, Tom has just bought next week's newsletter. Next week's newsletter. He's bought it, so there we go. All right, he's only gone and bought it. He's only gone and bought it. So there you go. I told you at the moment the newsletter is, look, I will show you. This is the viewership, 163 verified readers, and I will tell you our open rate is off the charts. It's nearly everyone opens it. The average is 20% for an email. Nearly everyone opens it. It's crazy. Crazy. This is why we do it properly, right? We don't just add anyone to the list. 163 times 0.05 is $8.15. So he's bought it for $10. Okay, you could have paid $8.15, but he's paid $10. So that'll do. That'll do up to you can book that now, and no matter how many more people subscribe today and get it on Sunday, Tom, you will be in the newsletter for Sunday. So please, valued at 6 cents per person. There you go. Well, that's very nice of you, mate. I would like you to send me what you'd like me to put in there. It's your commercial. You can have a couple of lines and an image. So you might want a thumbnail of your channel, a picture of your lovely face if that's what you want. It's your sponsorship. And also you can have your channel in there, your links in there, or whatever it is you'd like to do. Thank you very much. Thank you, Tom. Okay, the S&P 500 is now coming up 0.28 down. We've got it's a bit of a yucky day, if I'm honest. It's not a great day for trading today. That's why I just bought Lockheed this morning. I bought Lockheed this morning with this potential war looming in worse. Lockheed have already had contracts with the military, but there's potential now for ramping up more fighter jets. So Lockheed is right in line for that. So that's what we've done. And Market Profit said in the next couple of months it'll 10x. It also comes with a nice safe dividend. So either way round, it's good. Martin, you decide, it's your newsletter. Okie dokie, I shall do that. Garrison is over there on Facebook. How are you, Garrison? Lovely to have you here. All right. It's half a percent down right now. My portfolio. I'm not worried though. I'm interested to see what Lockheed does today. I'm down 0.12 on it, which is great. On a day like today, normally I'd be down on that by about 3%. But it's holding. There's something going on with Lockheed. I bought it. It's a good time to get in. Market Profit, who's a bear normally, said get in as well. Very, very good. Okay. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Now then, I just want to make absolutely sure I don't want anyone to miss out because it's our best ever cash giveaway. We're giving away $100 in this show on Thursday. We also have our cash prize giveaway on Friday as always. And this Friday, we are also giving a cash prize away to our Twitch subscribers. And I've absolutely confirmed with you 100%. You can subscribe to Twitch for free using Amazon Prime. You simply turn Amazon Gaming on, which is free. You just go yes, link it to Twitch, and then you will be a subscriber. You can forget about it then. You watch me here on YouTube, and I'll show you we've got 7 subscribers. And every first Friday of the month, which is this Friday, we give away a cash prize. And as you can see, we only have 7 subscribers. So 1 in 7 chance. And if you want to subscribe to it, here is my Twitch feed. There it is. And once you've done it, you will be in the draw every single first Friday of the month. You can forget about it, never do it again, and you're off and running. You can use somebody else's Twitch account. So Caden, if your mum and dad have got Amazon Prime, all right? And I also return the money I make on ads as well. So if you can keep a tab open while we're trading here on Twitch, have it running, the more money I get, the more money I give back to you. You should all have Twitch open in the background so we make more ad revenue so we can grow and I can return more money to you. All right? Okay. That's what we're all about. Tesla has gone green again. Okay, now then, are we going to get a rise into the close? I think we are. All right? I still believe that Tesla could go up to $1,000 today. And the only reason why it hasn't is everyone is now unsure of what's going on. This thing with China and Nancy Pelosi and Taiwan, it's spooking everybody a little bit. All right. Anyway, thank you for all the follows over there on TikTok. How are you doing? Tom has been a member now for 6 months. Feels longer. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? It feels longer. Thank you very much, Tom. Appreciate it very much indeed. Appreciate your support. He's a silver member as well. All right. We'll have some fun. We will. We're going to promote on this Friday. We're going to promote Tom. We did Caden Youngquist last Friday. We'll do Tom this time. Well, I've just decided we're going to do Tom on Friday. It's going to be a really busy day on Friday because of the earnings of Virgin Galactic. It'll be the following day, trading it. Everybody will be excited about it. So anyway, I'm excited. Is everybody excited and happy? You should be. Lucid. Earnings coming up this week. Robinhood earnings coming up this week. By the way, we're covering all the earnings this week. It's one final week of earnings. Well, the friendship between us is over a year now. Well, you say friendship. It's more of like a pain in the ass. Oh, I'm his friend. I'm just saying. Right, earnings. SoFi, we're covering. Robinhood, we're covering. Right? We're covering Robinhood and we're covering SoFi, and then we're going to end up with we're covering Virgin Galactic on, of course, the Thursday, I beg your pardon, after hours. All right. Okay, now then, there's nothing to trade right now. We're simply waiting for Lockheed's next move. We're waiting for, we've got some dividends coming up in a month or so time. That's all going to be reinvested, so that'll be good. Lucid earnings soon. Yes, Lucid earnings as well. It's at the same time as Robinhood. I think we couldn't do both. So we will be watching the stock closely, but it's the same time as, it's the same time as Robinhood. So we can't do both. Tomorrow is SoFi and PayPal after hours, so join us for that. That's tomorrow. But Lucid is rising at the moment. Polestar is finally starting to take off. Now, Tilray has had a bit of a pullback today. Let me have a look. There we go. Still falling. I was down 24%. Surreal Ray is now following me. Looks like on Twitch. He's got to be my number one fan now. Right. Surreal Ray, if you now subscribe to me using your Amazon Prime, right, you will then get free membership every month, every first Friday of the month. All right, 1 month of September. Can't wait for colder weather. No, indeed, but I totally agree. Just joined on Twitch. Yeah, we see it. Hello, Sir Real Ray. Now go to the top, subscribe to me, and link it with your Amazon Prime. If Amazon Prime Gaming isn't turned on, you need to turn it on, okay? All right. Virgin S&P 500 coming up. Virgin Galactic. Now, where will we be on August the 4th? Let's have a poll. Let's have a poll here. SPCE earnings. Okay. SPCE earnings. Will we see $10? Let's have a look. That's what the poll is. Will we see space earnings? Will we see $10? Yes or no? Okay. Let's see what the poll suggests. What do you think? Okay, so Real Ray, you're over there on Twitch. Yes, if you become a subscriber at the top, use your Amazon Prime. Don't have to pay for it. It's free. And there we go. Everyone's opening the tab now. Thank you. Finally, everyone's opening the tabs on. Don't abandon YouTube. Please don't do that. But keep a tab open or another device on Amazon, on Twitch. And whatever ad revenue we earn and memberships, I can return to you if you do that. So there you go. Anyway, it's been a bit of a flat day. It has. And the reason for it is because of this issue with China. Everybody's fearful right now, but it's good. If they were fearful like before, the market would have crashed. It didn't. It's undecided right now. People are like confused. They're like running around like lemons without their heads on. Where are we going? I don't know where we're going. Before, in the last few weeks, they've been running with lemons over a cliff. They know exactly where they're going. Right now, they're running around in circles. But I'm not buying or selling unless I enter a new position like Lockheed this morning. I bought $1,600 of Lockheed this morning, as you can see, and it's flat. I've not lost any money, but I've got dividends to pay out. So either way round, I'm up. I'm happy with that. Very good point, said Seb Dean. Yes, it is. Tom, for us, also about 2 years. It has. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Just been moving into my new uni house. What's a uni house? A university house? Is that what you mean by that? Anyway, is that what you mean? I want to know what you mean by that. Sell stocks. Ali Tisro. He's saying sell stocks. Why is that, Ali? Now, Ali Tisro is a member of the Day Trader, and he's also, he very often calls in. Let me open up the broadcast lounge. There we go. Broadcast lounge is open. Ali Tisro, if you want to call in. Yeah, my house for uni with my mates. Very good. Seb Dean, you need to get all your mates, right? Because you're a member of the Day Trader. Onto Discord. I think you're on Discord, right? Call in on a video call and you and all your mates can come on and say hello to the world. That'd be great. I remember my uni days. I want you all to call in and say hello to the Day Traders. That'd be good. Do that. Make sure you do that. That'd be brilliant. Right, the Discord lounge, the broadcast lounge is open. Let's see if anybody calls in. By the way, who's this? This is Mr. Ali Tisro.
You should definitely join the Day Trader. Join us. Join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together. And Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter. We just get straight to it.
Okay, Rob Brennan says, do you remember my theory about Lockheed Space Partnership? I was close, but it was Boeing rather than Lockheed. Yes, it was Boeing. I bought Lockheed for the war side of things. I also like the dividend. It's a very good dividend. 2.66 is very good on the dividends. You know what I was going to just say about that? Shouldn't we mention, ladies and gentlemen, England won the Euros against Germany at home. Who witnessed that? It was just the girls rather than the men. That's all it was. Forget that. Mind you. Oh, yeah. Has anyone got a comment to make about the lady at the end who scored, who ripped her shirt off and then ran around the pitch? Has anybody got any comment on that? I've been waiting to see if someone would comment on that, because if a guy rips his shirt off, there's hell to pay. I want to know no one's mentioned it. No one's saying a word apart from me. All right, we got Ali Tisro here today. He's live on the show, so I'm going to get Ali Tisro in the show right now because Ali's called in and he's just made an announcement saying, sell your stocks, sell your stocks. So I want to know what that's all about. Right, Ali, you are muted at the moment, so you can unmute yourself and I'll bring you on the show. Okay, Ali? All right, I've unmuted you. Ali Tisro, you're live on the Day Trader. How are you, mate?
I'm doing great. How are you, Martyn?
It's great to hear from you. How are things with you? Has life moved on since your burglar situation? How's that all ended up?
No, just got myself a new quad bike. All sorted on that end. Been on holiday, been away from the markets.
Right.
So
where have you been?
Haven't been as active. Been to Mexico, been to Turkey, taking some of those crypto profits and running for a bit.
Hey, look at you having a nice time. Very nice indeed. So then you called in today and you said to me, sell your stocks. Why? What reason?
This is the relief rally we were looking for. This is playing out a bit later than expected, but it's not going to be sustained. The housing market hasn't come down yet. There's still a lot of red on the days ahead, months ahead.
Yeah, but you know
what? It's always good to have some cash on the side. I'm not sure what your cash position is now, if you're backing leverage or not, but it's always good to have some cash.
This is as you know, market profit is one of our bearish of bears. And he has said to me, he came into the show this morning and said, looking at your stocks, looking at what you've got, my full portfolio, he says that my portfolio is going to be up at 200,000 by November. I nearly fell over when he said that. I went, get out of it. I said by end of next year, I could see that, but not by November. He believes that. He believes this rally is going to go on until like early spring next year. What do you think about that? Because obviously you're saying it's now up there, sell it all, take some profits.
Yeah, I mean, I guess I'm not sure what what Market Profit's been saying and what his reasons are, but
No.
that's, all I know is it's time to sell the stocks. Just blatantly put it that way, just because there's a lot of uncertainties ahead. There's monkeypox is coming back. There's monkeypox. There's all the if we see CPI go up next month, then we're going to have a lot of issues. Everyone's now expecting it to be all smooth sailing, to have 25 basis point increases by if it carries on at 50, 75 for a couple more months, then the real issues will start. There's the housing bubble is still all-time highs. It's not really dropped yet. If that drops, people can't pay their mortgages at the moment. There's crisis of living everywhere. We can see it. People are stopping spending. There's massive issues at the moment. It's only going to get worse until maybe we'll see a bull market beginning of next year, but it's just a break. It's just a relief rally. The trend is bearish until we see otherwise, but it's always good to have some cash. And as you said, you're saying Bitcoin gets to 10,000. The only way Bitcoin's going to get to 10,000 is if the stock market comes down as well. And if you still believe Bitcoin's going down to those levels, something's going to cause that to happen. So it's always good to have cash on the side. And these points, we've seen our portfolios grow. I mean, if you remember, your portfolio was dropping below 28,000.
Yep.
And that was scary times. And that's back up at 40. I'm not sure what it's on, but it's... You would be if you were back in the 28,000 days, you would be taking some money off at 40,000. So we just need to keep our emotions out of it and just think tactically sometimes.
Absolutely right. The highest point my portfolio was at was 70,000. If you look at it now, guys, I'm holding my finger on the screen, 70 grand. And from December, it just kept coming down and down and down. But as you all know, I've done my calculation. Rather than $100 a week, a month, or whatever you want to do over the next 10 years, I put all my money, all my life savings in this, because this is one of the worst crashes we've ever had. Now, I agree we are still in a bearish market. I think you're dead right. I also agree with you on Bitcoin. I think that's going to crash down to $10,000. But I do think, though, that this is a time just to keep, if you can and you can afford to, is to keep buying at these levels and keep adding to your position. And once whatever price you pay for something, refuse to pay more. I started getting back in on Bitcoin a couple of weeks ago. I bought back. I had no Bitcoin at all. I'd sold it all, and I bought some, and I've got $289 of Bitcoin. Not a lot, I know, but it's all relative. And I've got an average of 19,000. 19,635 is my average. And I've already set all my buy limit orders. One at 100 at 18, 100 at 17, 200 at 16, 300 at 15, all the way down to about $1,000 at 10,000, right? To get my portfolio up to about between 3 and 5% of Bitcoin, and that's it, no more. I've stopped buying BSV. I've got 11 of those. If that becomes $1 million, well, I've got $11 million, so that's all taken care of. And I'm just not buying any more of anything unless it's below the lowest price I've paid. And that's it. There's no fear, there's no stress, there's no drama. Whatever I buy it at, I won't buy it again unless it's lower, significantly lower than than the lowest point I bought it in. But I think it's somewhere between you and Market Profit is where the truth lies on this one. I think the rally will last a bit longer than it's just about to go, as you're saying. I don't think I'm going to hit 200,000 by November. I mean, that would be like 500%.
That'd be nice.
Wouldn't that be amazing? That would make the best YouTube channel, broadcast in the history of the world. 500% in 3 months. be brilliant, wouldn't it?
You'll be happy when you're in Cornwall with 150,000 or whatever will be in October.
Oh yeah, can you
You'll
imagine?
be
Yeah,
buying us all a drink.
yeah, October the 15th. Oh, so looking forward to that. Oh, since you've been gone, Ali, the people that backed the project, they're all invited to the party on the beach. But for those that didn't back it, for those that did back it, they also get for free now a party in the evening. We've got a hotel, we've got a DJ, we've got Tom, we're all coming. There's people from all over the world coming. And for those who didn't back it, $50 or $50 in the super chat gets you a ticket for that. I hope, is there any chance you're coming to it, Ali?
I hope so. I'll see how much I donated for the... I'm not sure how much I did exactly. Maybe you can tell me at one point how much I donated to GoFundMe, but...
I think you
if I'm
probably
around,
did.
I think I might have done, but I don't. I have to check.
Yeah, I think you did. And just to be clear, it's not GoFundMe. It's not a charity. It's a business investment. It's Kickstarter. But yes, because you backed the Kickstarter, you get the evening party for free anyway. So you know.
Amazing.
I know. But I hope you can make it. It's in Newquay.
Yes, I will. Yes, it'll be a 5-hour, 6-hour drive, but I think it'll be worth it.
Hey, there we go. Doesn't everyone want to see? Should we do a poll? Does everybody want to see Ali Tisro at the party and see how many people say no? I don't want to see him. But we'd love you to be.
If it's less than 75% yes, then I guess I won't. Oh yes, I won't come. I'll have to go with the majority.
Yeah. Do you know what? I'm going to do it now. I'm going to do a poll. Who wants to see Ali at the party? And don't forget, if you do come. It's in the newsletter. Do you get the newsletter at all?
Yes. No. And honestly, I haven't signed up yet, but I'll do that. I've seen. It's embarrassing. Sorry, I should be on top of this. But
yeah. What's going on? No one's ever going to call in again. They're going to go, when I call in, I get put on the spot. Right. Now, if you get the newsletter in there, you can get a 30% discount if you want to stay at the hotel as well. If you want to. I know the owner, and he's done me a special rate for my members. So if you wanted to stay over the night in Cornwall at a lovely hotel and whatever with everybody, you can. So I'm just letting you know that's in the newsletter.
Yes,
so here is the
amazing.
newsletter in the chat if anybody wants it. If you're miserable like Ali hasn't signed up for it. I think that's funny.
I'm one of the gold members and I haven't signed up.
I know what's going on.
I've been away from the market. Sometimes it's always good to take a break.
Did you have a nice time?
Yeah, it was amazing. I'm going to look into the markets, have a look at the charts. I'll be back on the desk, etc. So I'll bring content to the live streams with my thoughts.
Yes, we love your thoughts. We love your thoughts. I would like to get the dream team. I would like to get you, Paul B, Market Profit, and since you've been gone, I don't know if you've met Rob Brennan.
Yeah, we know Rob.
Yeah, he's been incredible, right? Amazing guy.
Amazing.
Yeah. He put 120 grand on Virgin Galactic the other day, and he made some good money. He's back in again anyway. But of course, August the 4th, it's the earnings when we're giving away $100. That's courtesy of Rob. But Rob, Ali Tisro, thank you ever so much for your input as always. I'm going to do a poll now and find out if anybody wants to see you at the party.
Amazing. We'll go off that. I bet everyone's going to put no, but...
All right, Ali, thank you. So lovely to have you back. I'm so glad you had a good
and
time.
he can't not turn up to the party. He has to turn up. If he's a gold member, he's required under rules.
Who's that then? Who's just piped in there? Who the bloody hell's that just piped in there? Who was that?
It's your DJ. What do you expect?
Was that C&V Studio? He just gate crashed. He didn't even be like unmute. I didn't even have to unmute him. He just kind of like hacked into my Discord channel and took over the bloody show. What's going on? Nice to see you, Tom.
I always take over the show. You know that.
Good to see you. I think Ali Tisro's gone. That's it. He's disappeared. Tom, how are you, mate? Lovely to have you here.
Well, all good. Great to see everyone in the show again. And of course, 15th of October. If you know my shows, which a lot of you do, you know how much fun we have and how much of a party we have. We're going to have one heck of an evening. with
Just
that one.
before,
Can't wait for it.
Just before you give us any more, I just want to quickly thank Real Ray, who not only is a silver member to our family, not only is he a subscriber on TikTok, he's just become our 8th subscriber on Twitch. So he'll be in the draw once a month. So I just wanted to say thank you, because that's just happened and I haven't acknowledged it yet. So thank you very much for Real Ray for being like a member of absolutely everything. Let me just quickly start this poll. Paul B says, I'm a gold member and I'm not coming. That's right. Okay. Do we want to see Ali Tisro at the party? Okay, that's in Cornwall, obviously. October 15th. Yes. Yes is one. Yes is one. No is another. And the third option will be could not care less. Okay, there are 3 options. Do we want to see Ali Tisra at the party? Yes, no, or could not care less? Answer honestly, please. He's watching. Do not spare his feelings. This is the show where we tell the truth. If you think it's a pain in the ass, say no, I couldn't care less. It's up to you. All right. Back to you, Tom. You still with me?
Yeah, of course we care. He's a gold member. If he's putting all that support and effort into the channel, the least he can do is do a 5 to 6 hour drive to come down and support the channel.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. It's all about the money. He's a gold member. He gives me money, so he should be there. Right. That's what it is. I love how you said that. Brilliant. Real Ray.
You always say tell the truth on the channel.
Yeah, tell the truth. Yeah, we only want you there if you've got money. If you're someone that hasn't got any money who can't. What? That's what you said. That's what you said. Yeah, you said.
You're twisting it again, Martin.
You said because you be shush. It's my show. I want to speak. I'll speak when I want to speak. It's my show, right? Ask Mike. He'll tell you. You just said if he's a gold member, he's got to be there. So basically, what he's saying is, folks, if you've got no money and you are not even a member, you can't afford the membership. You're not welcome. Just the people with the money we want at the show. All right. That's what you said, Tom. I'm not. That's what you said.
We could go on for hours on this roundabout with that comment.
Yeah.
No.
By the way, everybody that's subscribed to CNB Studio, I'm now inviting everyone to unsubscribe and do not watch anything else. And when he appears at the party, feel free to throw tomatoes at him. It's not my hotel. I'm not cleaning up the tomatoes, so I don't mind. But anyway, let me have a quick look at the poll right now. It says, do you want Ali Tisro at the party? 75%, 55% say yes. Only a couple say no. The rest couldn't care less. So, I mean, I don't know what you want to make of that, Ali. You can make of that most people want you there. But then a third, nearly a quarter, nearly half of the people there don't really care if you're there or not. I wouldn't bother driving 6 hours. If I thought if I was going to drive 6 hours, most people wouldn't care if I was there. I don't think I'd want to go. What do you think, Tom? Would you go?
Martin, right? But saying that, don't forget, if you look in the chat, how many people have we got that are actual members and are going to the party? Because of course this is an open.
No, don't try and water it down, Tom. When I asked the poll if anybody wanted you to be a DJ, it was virtually 100% no. Nobody wanted you to be a DJ, but we're stuck with you because you volunteered. So I don't know how to get out of it. I mean, what can I say? No, it actually was the other way around, actually. Oh, space news. Hang on a minute, Tom. Just hold on a second. Space news. Let's have a quick look. Virgin Galactic space news. What is that? Rob Brennan. Space news. What have you got for me? I'm not seeing anything. I'm scrolling up.
Space has popped up massively earlier on, which you missed. And also, Rob Brennan, thank you very much for the super chat that Martin hasn't called out.
Rob Brennan, what's that? What did he give me some money? What was all that for? I didn't even see it. Scroll up.
Space Pods, Ali Tisro, he jumped in again with a super chat for just shy of £9, saying SPCE, Space Pumping.
Right. This is a bit like those Radio 1... This is a bit like those Radio 1 chat shows, isn't there? Where there's the host and then there's the sidekick. The annoying sidekick that keeps coming in like just poking little questions and little jokes. That's like you, Tom, today. You just crashed in here and then you make little sarcastic, funny comedy jokes. Does everyone like this segment? Should we keep this in? Should we make this a regular thing?
Oh, someone has to keep the Discord running.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's right. I agree with that. Patty, lots of love, thanks, says Ali Tisro. I would be a burden if I went with all my issues. No, you won't, Bill. No, you won't. I'll leave, Tom can sort you out. He'll take care of you. He's got a little remote control. He can zip your electric scooter around. Remote control. We can patch it into the Wi-Fi of the hotel. That'd be great. You're welcome, Ali says. Space news. I'm looking at it. We've got no real news, Rob. There's nothing going on. Check links for YouTube. Hang on. Hang on a minute. We've got some breaking news here from Rob. Okay, let me go over to for links for YouTube. Let me bring this up. And while I'm bringing this up, Tom, tell everybody what you're going to be doing at the party, mate.
So party 15th of October. Obviously, we've got the Kickstarter party during the afternoon in the wonderful location, which is Newquay, Cornwall. But then in the evening, as Martin said earlier on, we have the after. Well, are we saying the after hours party? How are we titling it? We're not sure yet. We've still got that to figure out. But that is going to be one heck of a live party. Cannot wait for that one. Look, you guys have watched me on my channel, and obviously we done the Day Trader birthday party not that long ago, but it's going to be even bigger and even better for the evening. Can't wait for that one.
I just got a message from Rio Ray says, this is much nicer than the Jeremy Kyle chat show. It's like a Jeremy Kyle. Someone, who was it who said, Market Profit said, it's the not Monty Python, what was it? Faulty Towers of day trading, and now we've got the Jeremy Kyle show. Yeah, we sort out your problems here, folks. We sort out your problems while we make some money. Look, Martin, everyone agrees. Look, everyone agrees with what? Yes, you should come. You got 55%. I wouldn't say that's everyone. Don't get all excited because you got 55%. Be focused on the people that don't want you there. Be focused on that. Rob Brennan has just said this to me. Check the links for YouTube. SPCE FAA license extended for 2 years. This is good. This is just coming now from Rob Brennan. We're taking a closer look. We'll digest this in detail later. This is the license for the FAA has been extended for 2 years. We are so excited about what's coming for Virgin Galactic. This is good news. It's got to be, right? They've extended the FAA license for 2 years. Here it is. We can go into it in far greater detail off other videos. Now, I will, at the end of the show, actually make a special video for this and cover this. But just the headlines is that the FAA have extended the license to SPCE. Very, very exciting. Thank you, Rob Brennan, for sending that in. What else have we got here? Yes, we should have a 1 hour where we can all come in and speak. Yes, we should have a 1 hour where we can all come in and speak. What, just you speak? Or would anyone like to take over the show? I would like to be like, what's he called, Jeremy Kyle. Can you sort this, Tom? I could take a break and then you guys could run the show virtually. How about that?
Yeah, certainly something we can in the backgrounds for.
Here he is Sam Rocketman. How you doing, Captain Fantastic? It's me, Madness Across the Water. It's me, he said. Yes, lovely to see you, Sam. Can get a mic set up and get face on. Can get a mic set up and get face on. You just need your phone, mate. You just need your phone. You can call in live to a video chat. Let me go over to... In fact, Tom, are you on a phone right now? Can you demonstrate that?
2 seconds.
Here we go. Look, we're gonna have Tom. Look, we've got such technology here, ladies and gentlemen. You won't believe how amazing we are. Look, here he is. Here he is. Here he is. Look, not only do we have the voice of the man himself, we have his face. So what more can we say about it? Here he is. Kip. How are you, Tom?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Just relaxing out after a hectic weekend of shows as always, but it's not my show, it's your show, Martin, so we won't talk about me and my DJing. We'll talk about Day Trader.
Yeah, don't talk about you too much. We don't want to get you carried away or anything, but we are excited about you being the DJ for our party, Tom. We are excited about that. It looks like Ali Tisro is going to be there. He said, if I get the majority say come, then I'm going to be there. So it looks like Ali is going to be at the party, which is very, very nice indeed.
Yeah, 62% so far. So we're
Yeah,
about
62%. Right, we're coming up to the bell has just gone, folks. Just to update you before we come back to Tom a second. The bell has just gone, so we are in the after hours. And I did say I could see Tesla going up in the after hours, and I was right. It's going up in the after hours. It would have hit $1,000 today if we didn't have this drama about the Chinese threatening to shoot Nancy Pelosi out the sky and spooking everybody out. Volume disappeared this morning after we hit peak and a nice big pump. Everything just stopped. So after hours, we kind of reset this. We reset the board a little bit, if you want to think of it like that, and we'll get a little bit of excitement after hours. Look, all the stocks are going up after hours. I don't agree with Ali Tisro that we're about to crash from these few weeks of pumps. I don't see that. I think it's the time not to buy in and chase the stock, but I do think it's the time to already be in the stock. Remember, I've got stocks here that are up, that were down 20%, that are now up 5, 10, 15, 20%. I mean, if we look at my Enphase Energy, for example, I'm up 56%. If we look at Tesla, my Tesla, I'm up 26%. So I'm not saying everyone should go out now and think, right, this is a bull market, I can't lose, buy everything. That is not what I'm saying. In fact, it's the very opposite of what I'm saying. You should already be in. That's why you've been watching me over the last 6 months buying these dips. So I'm already in. So don't suddenly get excited and think it's time to buy in, but I wouldn't be fearful either because I've got such good profits built in. If we do collapse, I'll probably end up just back down where I started, which won't concern me at all. It means another opportunity to consolidate a bit more. But anyway, let me go through a few of the questions here. We've got news on Shell and BP. All right, I'll come back to Tom. We can share with you some news. For those who don't know, as well as Tom being a DJ, he's actually involved in that sector. That's part of it's one of his jobs. So he does have some good information to share with us. So we'll bring that in a minute. Tom needs a ponytail if he's going to be the bouncer. Tom isn't the bouncer. Saray, Tom isn't the bouncer. No, he's way worse than that. He's the DJ. Every party has a DJ, right? He's the DJ. He's not the bouncer. He's the bloody DJ. So you need to get that right. Mike is happy. Paddy and Alicia, how are you? Sam is my friend. Everyone's Sam's friend. Right. Who can Steve the bouncer be? Do we have a bouncer? Real Ray, would you like to be the bouncer? Real Ray, would you like to be the bouncer, or should we give that honour to Ali Tisro if he's going to make it all the way down? Or Elton John perhaps is going to turn up. Sam, who would like... Imagine that, Elton John as a bouncer at a party. Just picture that for a moment. Just picture that for a moment in your mind. Elton John as the bouncer at a party. That'd be good, wouldn't it? I like that. At least a glittery jacket for Tom then. Jeremy Kyle always has a bouncer. Well, it's like what's his face? What's the other guy called? What's the big American chat show host with all the fighting? Jerry Springer. There we go. They need bouncers because there's riots in their places. There's going to be no riots at our place. We are a decent, respectable bunch. At least, before Tom, was the DJ. That might change things. Normally on my party, everyone is very sophisticated and nice. Maybe on a Tom DJ night, I don't know how it's gonna go. We shall see. Jeremy Kyle has a bouncer. Let's bring Tom back in again as we wind up our show here. So what do you reckon, Tom? Do we need a bouncer at your party or what?
No, it'd be fine. Well, unless I bring on some madness and get you dancing, yeah. Martin, then you'll probably be the only one that'll be evicted from the party.
Right. I don't know. I think I'd feel more important if I had a bouncer at my party. I just think it would make me feel important. You know what I mean? Don't you think? The Day Trader Convention, a global event, worldwide event, people coming from all over the world. I mean, that's like being a rock star, isn't it? We should have a bouncer.
Well, we can do that. Mike, can you go and do some modding, please? I can't jump in.
Yeah, it's not your show, he said. Mike said it's not your show.
Right, there we go.
Will the DJ save my life?
Classic song.
There you go. That's the DJ. That's for Tom there. Look, will the DJ save my life? You got no chance. Tom ain't saving anybody's lives. Anyway. Right, we're going to wrap up our show right now. Let's have a little look. We need to block the love chat. Yeah, you need to be a moderator and sort it out. I think Mike's got it. There you go. Paul B's done it. So Paul B, getting back to the stocks, you know, remember this isn't the Martin and Tom show. This is a stock trading show. You may have forgotten it in the last 15 minutes, so I'm just going to remind you. Paul B, what did you think about what Ali Tisra was just saying there now? We've had a rally. Everybody will agree with that. Is it the beginning of a long-term rally? Are we going to see stocks go up now until the spring, or are we going to see a dump? And but bearing in mind, guys, before we talk about me selling all my positions, let's remember where we were. I only really turned to profit, real profit, until I get up to $70,000. Where we are down here is very, very nice. There's a long way to go. So for me, this is an accumulating time. This is not the time. If I'd bought in here and was up here, you could argue we can sell a few stocks and make a bit of money. But really, I'm not sure that this is the time to be doing that. We've got a message here from Mercy Mate BVU. Hi, watching from South Africa, I believe. Welcome to you, Mercy. You're on the screen right now, here on YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, and everywhere else. Lovely to have you here. Welcome. Coming to YouTube. Say hello. Nancy Pelosi is the greatest investor of all time. I heard that. I had it, but Paul B. stole it. What was that? What did you have? Here we go. Paul B. Coinbase now offers Ethereum staking to institutions in the United States. Now, Paul B. Could you tell me? Have institutions yet got into crypto? Because that is the moment everything changes. Have you got any institutions that have got into crypto? If you know of any, please tell me. I'm just going to check our broadcast, make sure that Paul B's not in there. What do you think, Paul? And I have viewed your video, and I'm compiling my thoughts on it, just so you know I haven't forgotten you, because you sent me a very important video and some second information, which I'm still studying. Okay, Alicia said, yes, I know, Sam, you're a friend. In effect, would be better to ask Martin. Ask me what? What do you want to know? Ask me directly. Anyway, we have got, and I just want to remind everybody, we have got, thanks, Tom, by the way, for sponsoring our newsletter next week. That's very kind of you. I want to remind everybody, very, very important, on Thursday, we're giving away $100 in the After Hours show. All right, I want to make sure everybody's there, because you're all used to coming to the Friday giveaway in the morning, but the event is happening here. So I strongly recommend that you go there right now and like and click remind me, because if you might miss this one, I'm going to remind you every 5 minutes between now and then. I know that, but there you go. There is the link you need to go to. That is the video, and we've got 18 likes on it already. So let me know. Put a like on that, so make sure you don't miss out. That is sponsored by Rob Brennan, who we are looking for a very, very exciting after hours earnings from Virgin Galactic. We all believe now, somebody asked me, Shad, I think it was Shad. No, it wasn't. It was somebody else. Asked me, said, Martin, what do you think? You said you seem to imply you know something about Virgin Galactic. I do. I'm only able to tell you that I think the earnings will be good. There is some information that I'm not able to share. It's all I'm prepared to say, but I do believe the earnings will be good. Not amazing. Why would they be? But there's so much good news around on SPCE. At the end of the day, guys, don't listen to what I say. Look at what I do. I'm not selling my position. I'm adding to it if it goes to $4. I'm doubling up at $4. That'll give me $20,000. Well, it won't, because it'll be half the price. It'll be 15 grand I'll have in Virgin Galactic if it goes to if it halves in price. I don't see that happening for a minute, but that's my position and I'm holding it. All right, I'm not fearful or stressed or whatever. Paddy, sing some Elton John at the party. Sam might be doing that. Tom wants to share some BP and Shell EV news. So for those of you that are into EVs, that are into oil, Tom has got some BP and Shell news. And remember, he does actually work in this sector. and in this part of this industry. He's not only a DJ, but he has a daytime job as well, working in this industry. So he does have some information which he wants to share with everybody. So go back over to Tom. So if you're interested in oil or the EV stocks, you might find this interesting. Look at comment, Ali Tisro. Needs 75% to go. Looks like I'm not going. All right, okay. Ali Tisro wants 75%, or he's becoming a prima donna. He's not happy with 71% that love him and want him. He wants 75%. So for those of you who have just tuned in, you've got to vote yes, apparently, because Ali Tisro won't go and he'll get a strop on because he's not getting 75%. I might do a poll in a minute and find out how many votes I get. And I'm not going unless I get 100%. I'm not going to be there. You can have a party on your own. All right, I'll phone in. I'll phone you in. I'll phone you and do a Zoom call into your event, and I'll go, having a good time, are you? All right. Anyway, let's get back to it. Sending some likes on TikTok. Thank you very much. Look at that, our Luca badge owner. We've got 30 likes on TikTok. Shall we do something nice? All right, everybody on TikTok, I'll do something nice. If we get 50 shares, see down here, there's a share button. Click 50 shares. And I'll do a surprise for you. I'll do a surprise for you. All right, if we hit 50 shares. Right, let's bring Tom back in. Fantastic, Mike. Wait for September. You're already helping. I hope I win the $100, said Rob Brennan. He can't win. He donated it. A UK court ruled that self-proclaimed Bitcoin creator, Craig Wright, here we go, this is important. A UK court ruled that self-proclaimed Bitcoin creator, Craig Wright, used false evidence in his case against Peter McCormack. And scroll up for my comment, Martin. Let me just scroll up. Thank you very much for giving me the tip here. Here we go. August is traditionally not good for Bitcoin. More lows than highs. Ali is right. We are in a relief rally. How long lasts is anyone's guess. Barclays Bank has begun to invest in crypto, small amounts. Very interesting if Barclays Bank is getting in. It's why I am buying in as it drops. I haven't said I'm just going to dismiss it. It is part of my portfolio. I am buying it when it drops because I believe the drop will come. And if it doesn't, that's okay. My money's working elsewhere. All right, back to Tom. He's got some EV and some BP news for us. Let's go back over to Discord. There he is. Look, having a bit of a lie down. I think he's just chilling out on the Jeremy Kyle show. So how are you? How are you, Tom? So tell me, what do you know? What's the inside scoop on BP and EVs, please?
So two bits of information coming out of BP and Shell over the last couple of days. BP have just launched a massive charging site. I know it's good. Everyone hates this word, out in China. 480 charging points at this site in BP that BP have put together in China. And from what they've been saying, they're looking at bringing similar bits over to the UK. Nothing for the US market as of yet. They haven't announced any inroads into the US with the EV charging, but the UK is going to massively increase on its BP offering, which is currently doing across Europe and into China at the moment. Then the second bit of information from Shell is that by 2030, so in 7.5 years' time, they're currently sitting on 11,000 chargers that are active. They want that to 100,000 by 2030, which would mean if they hit that number, that you'd have to drive no more than 10 minutes in any direction to get between EV charging points.
Awesome news. Awesome.
Huge increase from BP and from Shell.
Tom, as I do with all my contributors to information, could you please send in some links for YouTube so everybody else can check those links out? And anyone who gives me any information, I always ask for the links so everybody else can go and research it yourself. It's not just somebody making up stuff, just to give everything that backing. So if you could do that, Tom, I would appreciate that. Rob Brennan has just gone, the news for SPCE. Yes, it is up 0.14 after hours. Now, that might not look a lot, but the volume has gone out of the markets today. People are sat on their hands today doing nothing. Let me have a quick look at the volume today. and you will see, let me just find it a second. There we go. The volume the average volume, see, I was right. I didn't even need to look at it. The average volume is 5. Today, we're not even 4. And despite that good news. So the fact that we have low volume, Rob, and we are up 0.14 on a miserable, slow day is good. I regard that as very bullish. The news a lot of investors won't have been made aware of that yet. So for me, that's fairly optimistic. And just very quickly, we need to have a quick commercial break. Everything's screaming at me. I've not taken a break. So let me just do a quick commercial break. And we'll be right back with our day trader of the day and more information to follow. Here we go. Okay, we're back again. Here we go. Let me just run this stinger. Okay, we're back with you again there. So look, Rob Brennan, I regard that as a good result that Virgin Galactic is only up 0.14. If you look at the rest of the market, that's a bit of movement. So far today we are down. And for Virgin Galactic to be up, remember Virgin Galactic, regarded by the traders on the floor, is extremely high risk, very volatile stock. And it's up slightly in the after hours when the S&P 500 is flat and the whole market is down. So actually that's very, very good response. We couldn't expect much more than that right now. So that's the situation. Okay, we're going to wrap up with today's show by doing Day Trader of the Day and then, of course, roll the credits. And we might have a few people today because we had a few new followers, a few new subscribers. And before I do, I want to give everybody the newsletter in the chat right now. And there you go. There's a newsletter going out now. If you want to subscribe to that, we have weekly cash giveaways, which will keep on getting bigger and better. We've got 2 this week. In fact, 3. We got 1 on Thursday for $100 we're giving away, and we've got 2 on Friday. The first Friday of the month, we're going to give away a cash prize on Twitch to our subscribers, and we're also going to give away our weekly cash prize draw as well. Now, once you've got the email and you've clicked on it, it will bring you to this page here. This is what you will see. On the top, the Day Trader newsletter, you put your email in, click verification. You do need to verify the email, okay? Many of you don't verify the email, and when you don't verify the email, you don't get it. Let me just refresh the screen a minute. Yes, you don't get it. You need to verify the email, and the email that you are looking for in your junk box, in your junk folder, is thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. Please make sure that you verify the email. Paul B says, I'm not in the credits. I have moderated. Your credits are broken. Well, actually, Paul B, I will tell you, actually, sometimes it works. Because yesterday, what's his name? Mike stuck with it because he says, I'll never get credited. Yesterday, was it yesterday, Mike? Was it? No, not yesterday. Friday, Mike, wasn't it? The Restream bot was pushed into second place by Mike. Mike moderated and went into the lead. He beat the Restream bot. I will tell you, it does happen. Had to drop out the court as battery low. Okay, Tom, thanks for being part of our show today. All right, so here we go. Your mod is back ordered. I knew that's what he was going to say. Right, Day Trader of the Day. Here we go. Today, the overall position is I'm down 0.39. Let's have a little look. I'm down 0.39%. Down 0.39%. There we go. When the first person puts their score in, I will start to post it. JH Energy Stocks. What about that, JH? What do you want to talk about? Down 0.39. Post your scores. We're going to put a 1 minute on the clock. As soon as we get the first score in, here comes the scores from Neil Carver. Let's bring it in. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Neil Carver is down 0.53%. Rob Brennan is up 1.2, so he goes into the lead. Rob Brennan goes into the lead, 1.2. I tried to mod the Restream bot, Paul. You can't do that. About to report earnings. Great for trades. The energy stocks about to report for earnings. Thank you very much indeed. Down 47%. Sold crypto and stocks. Why would you sell if you're down? I'm unsure. What's the strategy there? I presume you sold before you were down? I don't understand that. You wouldn't sell when you were down, right? Anyway. Let's have a quick look. I am up 1.39, down 47%. What's going on there? Tell me you sold before you were down, right? So up 1.2. It looks like buy low, sell lower. That's the way to do it. Top advice, that. 47%. Says Paul B. Paul B's crying. He's going, you got the wrong crypto. Down 47 because I sold. Portfolio is down 47%. Oh, hang on a bit, Ali Tisro. No. We don't mean the overall value. We mean today's position. Today's position. Not your overall value of your stock or your portfolio. Today's position. Are you up or down today? Anyway, it looks like our winner, without a shadow of a doubt, is our super fan. He is a subscriber on TikTok. He's a subscriber on Twitch, which means he's in the cash prize draw every month. So that's amazing. He gets a free video made for him over on TikTok. Thank you very much. And I'm promoting his channel all the time on my channel. That's great. And he's a silver member here on YouTube. What more can we say? What an absolute legend. All right. So there we go. Please take advantage of all the perks and benefits, Real Ray. Up 1.39. All spent this money on KitKat bars. Ali spent the money on KitKat bars. They're very good. Not sure it says down 47%. That doesn't make sense. You can't be down today if you've made a profit. Ali, you would be up. All right. If you've had a good day and sold at profits, you'd be up. You can't be down. So maybe you have a look. Need to get Bill to look at your portfolio for you. He always comes out on top. Anyway, let's celebrate our winner tonight. Ali, Real Ray is our winner. So thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. And here is the sound effects. Oh, yeah. There we go. All right. Well, congratulations, Real Ray. You've won today. Absolutely awesome. And hopefully everybody's signed up for their newsletter. And we've just got a couple of days to go for our biggest ever cash giveaway live in the show. Thank you to all of those of you who kept it open today on Twitch. It's not a lot to ask, is it, to keep a tab open so I get more ad revenue so I can give you more free money. It's not a lot to ask, really, is it? It's not a lot to ask. Anyway, shared the live with more than 5 friends. Thank you very much indeed, everybody. Thanks for everyone for sharing. 53 shares. Look at that. Absolutely awesome. Right then, if anyone subscribes to me on TikTok, at the end of this video right now, I will make you a video and post it onto your channel so my 22,000 followers will be invited to follow you. All right? What else can I do? What else could I do? I mean, really, what else can I do? Right, okay. It's time to roll the credits. So we need someone then. It's fantastic. It is. It's just unbelievable. There's what more can I do? What more can I do? All right. So here we go. AR Paul B, get on that quick. You might make the moderator. You might make the moderator competition. You never know. Did Paul B do it? No, it was Tom. Tom might get the prize. All right. It's time to roll the credits. Can someone say roll the credits, please? I can't roll the credits until someone says it. It just doesn't work that way. All right. Roll the credits. Why not, Mike? I'd appreciate it a lot. Okay. So there we go. Roll the credits. Always like getting here first. You did. Here's to roll the credits. Let's see who was famous today. All right, let's see who did their job today. Stars of the show. Moderators. Mike! Hey, look. See? It's just Paul B. It's Paul B. See? It's just Paul B who doesn't get mentioned. It's just Paul B. If Paul B sorted it out, maybe it's because he's not a member. Maybe it's because they just don't like him. I don't know what it is. No, he is a member, isn't he? He just doesn't like getting involved. I don't know. Canterbury Music Vi did a super chat. And Rob Brennan, thank you so much. A follower on TikTok's Real Ray. And we got some new members here on the Day Trader. We got a full board today. That doesn't happen a lot. There you go. We got moderators, Mike did his job. It's his job. It's his responsibility after all. Super chats, Tom and Rob Brennan. Surreal Ray became a follower and a subscriber and a new member, an updated member as well. That was Tom, CMV Studio. Sorry, Paul B. Oh, well, I'll stay unranked. There we go. No matter what happens, Paul B, when we have 1 million subscribers, will be the lowest ranked person on our show. It just happens. All right. We're done. I'll see you back in the morning for the opening bell. Look out for some Virgin Galactic videos coming. Breaking news. We're going to get it out there. Some lot of videos to be made. And of course, back in the morning, Tuesday, it's going to be a great day. We're building up to Thursday for the giveaway and the after hours earnings. Tomorrow night, after hours, it's SoFi. That's it from me. Thanks for being here. Love you all to bits. I'm going to see if I've got any subscribers on TikTok today, and I'm going to make them your video so you get famous. Goodbye, says Paul B. There we go. It looks like Ali Tisro won't be at the party. He only got 65%. Nobody wants him there. Take care of yourselves and each other.